Frequently, you find yourself engrossed in Google searches, navigating the vast expanses of the internet. What if I informed you that your routine Google searches could transform into a lucrative endeavor? Yes, you heard it correctly, tangible cash, simply by engaging in your usual activities. If you have some free time and are eager to boost your income, you're in for a pleasant surprise. We've discovered 5 remarkable methods that could earn you up to $750 per day and more using an innovative 2024 Google hack. Stay with us until the end of this presentation to unveil the secrets and explore 5 ways to generate income through Google searches. It's time to convert those searches into dollars. We will guide you through the entire process, assist you in honing your skills, and instruct you on how to earn money online without constraints. If you wish to stay informed about the latest online money-making techniques, consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications whenever we upload new videos. Our channel values diverse opinions, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. Our first featured platform is microworkers.com, a versatile site that provides a variety of micro jobs for quick earnings. These tasks are designed to be completed within a few seconds, making it a convenient choice for those seeking extra income. One appealing aspect is that microworkers.com accepts users from around the world, regardless of their location. To get started, the registration process is simple. Just click on Register, provide basic information like your name and email, and click Submit. Once you've verified your email, you'll be directed to the main page. Navigate to the Job section where you'll find approximately 1,700 available tasks. These tasks include completing surveys, exploring different websites, and even getting paid for searching on Google. While the initial pay for these tasks may seem modest, this video will introduce you to 5 distinct methods, progressing from lower paying to higher paying opportunities. I'll also share my personal strategy on how I've successfully accumulated earnings. Although some tasks may offer around 5 cents, they are generally straightforward. It's crucial to note that there are higher paying jobs, such as those offering $2 or $1. You can find these by scrolling through the available options. Additionally, you have the option to filter jobs based on your preferences, such as selecting tasks related to clicking and searching. Just click on Quick Search. Whether you're interested in quick and straightforward tasks or aiming for higher paying opportunities, microworkers.com offers a diverse range of options to align with your preferences and earnings goals. The next method for generating income through Google searches involves visiting Clicks2. This platform is entirely free and requires no prior experience to start earning. Clicks.com operates by charging companies and websites to improve their Google rankings. Your role on this platform is to search for specific website names on Google and click on them, contributing to their enhanced ranking. Essentially, you're aiding websites in achieving higher visibility, and in return, you earn money. Payments on Clicks.com range from 10 cents to 50 cents for each website that you click on. Keep watching until the end, as the final method I'll share promises the highest earnings. Notably, Clicks.com boasts a low minimum payout of just $5, making it easy to access your earnings promptly. Once you reach this threshold, the funds are automatically transferred to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, it's recommended to create one before starting on this website. The application process is hassle-free, ensuring automatic acceptance upon sign-up. To get started, click here to join the network and provide your personal information. It's important to note that Clicks.com requires you to download the Firefox browser. Furthermore, there is an associated extension, and while this might be viewed as a drawback by some, rest assured that later in this video, additional methods will be introduced to cater to various preferences and requirements. But hold on a moment. If you've been enjoying this video so far, and your answer is yes, now is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our future uploads. Now let's return to the video. Moving on to method number 3, where the earning potential significantly increases as we leverage Google search for sales. Pay close attention, because following the approach I'm about to share could lead to not just making hundreds, but potentially thousands of dollars. The strategy involves using Google to search for businesses. For example, you can search for terms like gym in Florida, coffee shop in Vietnam, or salon in Thailand. Target businesses that are not prominently ranked on the first page. By scrolling down to the second or third page, you'll discover websites that currently do not enjoy top rankings, resulting in lost customers and revenue for these businesses. Your mission is to assist them in improving their search ranking. This method is suitable for any type of business. Simply click on their website to find contact information for outreach. Consider offering them tools that can enhance their search ranking, such as Mango.com. This tool aids websites in improving their ranking and managing competition. Notably, Mango.com has a proven track record, having collaborated with major companies like Airbnb and Alexa. To initiate the process, scroll down to the bottom of the Mango.com page and click on the affiliate program to sign up and acquire your affiliate link. By doing so, you'll be entitled to a 30% lifetime commission for every referral. This means that as long as the business continues to use Mangoes to enhance their Google ranking, you'll keep earning commissions. For example, if a business spends $1,000 on Mangoes every month, you stand to make $300 monthly from just that one referral. The key here is to reach out to as many businesses as possible, as the more referrals you have, the more money you'll generate. Stay tuned because we still have 2 more lucrative methods to explore. Now let me introduce you to the method that led to the earnings I've just shared. Method number 4 for making money online through Google searches involves utilizing Respondent.io. This platform enables you to earn up to $700 per hour, a substantial amount due to its association with major companies like IBM, Microsoft, and Dropbox. These companies turn to Respondent.io for assistance in their research endeavors. However, it's important to note that this method requires a bit more effort compared to the previous ones. You'll be engaged in numerous Google searches to gather as much information as possible, but the compensation is notably high. If you navigate to the For Participants section and click on Become a Participant, you'll discover that Respondent.io offers payments for participating in research studies. With 4,000 new projects launching monthly involving 3 million participants worldwide and an average project incentive of $75, there's a substantial opportunity for earnings. Getting started is a straightforward process. Simply create an account by providing your name and email and get matched with suitable studies to apply for participation. After completing the necessary steps, you can receive your well-deserved payment. While this method may require more effort, the potential earnings make it a lucrative opportunity for those willing to put in the work. Now let's delve into the final website on our list, which happens to be my personal favorite, as it's where I've successfully generated substantial earnings. This website is known as Minsimo. Upon visiting the site, you'll notice impressive statistics, with over $1.3 million in rewards, 1,300 plus challenges launched, and active participation from individuals in 200 plus countries. As you scroll down, you'll find that Minsimo is a platform that assists companies in crowdsourcing breakthrough ideas and insights from a global community of creative problem solvers like yourself. The questions posed by these companies can be accessed by clicking on the Challenges section, where you'll discover various active challenges, many of which offer a reward of $1,600. Here's the easy part: click on a challenge, copy the question, paste it into Google, find related answers, and then return to Minsimo to submit your responses. To get started, create your account, a quick and simple process, and then begin answering as many questions as possible. Remember, the more answers and articles you submit, the greater your chances of earning money. Dive in and make the most of this opportunity. And that concludes today's information. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our new videos.